What am I doing with my hands? I'm not sure. Hey guys, it's Isabel and I'm back with another video. I know I haven't posted in a while and I'm sorry. I hopefully will be posting more if I can think of video ideas. Anyways, I was really bored and it is 9 o'clock and I'm not tired yet, so I figured I could clean my room because it is really messy. By the way, I do share my room with my sister. Anyways, let's just get into it. Alright, so that is my room, and now I guess we will just clean it. Why was I struggling so much with that? I literally took a minute to roll that thing up. Like, honey, why? I'm not gonna try anymore. This is that's
She
see these? Do you see how bright those are? My goodness. Y'all, this is all the college stuff that I've gotten. And I'm just a junior. I'm just in 11th grade. Like, I don't know if you can tell, but it's a lot. This is a lot of stuff. I don't even know what to do with it. So bad. I need you to need this so bad. This night, it's not easy. I have too many perfumes. Alright y'all, so that was my cleaning my room, clean with me, whatever you want to call it. And I think my room turned out pretty nice. I know I was just cleaning it, but it was pretty messy and I was getting kind of tired of it. So I decided to clean it. So I hope that you guys liked this video, and if you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more. Bye y'all.